Hey guys, Mimish, everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's take a look at the market. It's Friday, so chill, chillax, chillax. Uh, that's my new markets. See? Good job not taking this trade yesterday. Too, too far. Yeah, too far beyond 0.5 maybe. I didn't take it yesterday because it was too soon. I just started on this markets. I just started on this markets. Yeah, beyond 0.5. Wow, what happened here? It's all just it's a good job. And then back to Bitcoin. I have Bitcoin again. I have Bitcoin again. It's a good volume distribution, by the way. Wait. It's a good volume distribution on Russell. This is too close to resistance zone. Someone is loud. On the street. Oink. Yeah. And then back to Bitcoin, you guys. And back to Bitcoin day trading. And I think Ethereum as well. Pfizer gaps down on dividends. I was expecting it to gap up. Uh, there's nothing I can chart in here on hourly. Doesn't make sense. Yeah. Then down. And then up. And then down again and then up. So hourly is this. This is our hour, but it doesn't make any sense because it's called a trend. Counter trend. So what can you do? And that's my Warren Buffett trade, so I don't need it on hour and day. I only need it on months, really. If I'm so into Pfizer, don't fall in love with stock though. It's dangerous. It's dangerous. Plus, if I'm so obsessed with the stock, let's have it here for the day trade. It doesn't make any sense because it's in a massacre right now. It's in a balance. It's not in a balance, but it's in this wide range. Yeah, it's in a bloodbath. A little bit too low. Not good for exhaustion. And there's nothing I can do on daily. Absolutely nothing. Oh. Absolutely nothing. Too far from 0.5 maybe. Yeah, not even gonna touch it so far. I don't even know if this is a real level or not. Looks like one. If it wasn't, then this would have been the level. FedEx goes down. No volume here whatsoever. Maybe should have neglected it and then kept it overnight. That would have worked to begin with. Yeah, that was a trade right there. This went down as it should have. Yeah, trade. Boom. On the contrary, on the contrary, is it a good idea to look at this as coinciding levels? It's a little bit too far. A little bit too far. This thing is barely volumed. Yeah, it's not the best place to trade matching levels. One bar reversal is test though. It's not the biggest volume, I think. It is. And then unvolumed. Up thrust. Or volume 10-minute. There's a whole life here that happened. That was beautiful. One bar reversal. All good volumes. Good volume again. Starting from this being an exhaustion volume. for this movement. Too high. Weak approach. No, I'm not gonna try one bar reversal. No. And this is unvolumed. No, if it comes here, then maybe. I'm even ready to see this as a transition extreme. And this like a whole spread. But not one bar reversal like this. Yeah. Mm. And volume spring. And volume spring is pretty much a sentence for swing trade. However, for day trade, it can still work. That's a part of this transition extreme. It can still go the bridge petroleum, we just don't rely on it. Yeah, I can make an exclusion and see this as the transition extreme, but one bar reversal. And technically this is volume because it's a big volume, but practically, no. We need a splash of volume on manipulation signal. Trading signal, maybe. That's that. Also unvolumed spring, so only good for day trade. That's continuation of the trend. And it's continuation of the trend. but the previous T2 is hard to define because it's really starts from here, maybe? Think so, yeah. Okay, because this is not a previous T2. Mm. It's a continuation of the trend. Yeah, no bueno. And it's all, yeah. Oops. Bro, this is so convenient. The control thing. Switching in between multi-tap and one tap. Oh, it actually changed direction here. And then went up again. And then again. And again. And once again, the previous T2 doesn't make sense anymore. Because after all this, it just fell down. Here. Yeah, none of them makes sense. And SanDisk, still clueless on what this company does. Apparently something very important like um, social media or memes. um, Something crucial for us. That was an entry that was still not um, ready. On a higher time frame. On a higher time frame. You guys, I was murdering this bold voice app for 38 days in the past months and a half. And my accent score went down from 86 towards standard American accent from 86 to 81. I'm down 6%. I did the reassessment yesterday and it's worse than when I've started. That was discouraging. Well, I'm lying, it's not discouraging. Nothing is discouraging for me at this point. I'll continue business as usual. But I was like, oh, I was gonna say it hurt, but not really, it didn't. It was just funny. Hard work pays out. Good decision making, Misha. Not taking that trade. And I don't think coincidence of the levels is really a good idea here. I'm sorry. Too high above 0.5. Too high above 0.5 on monthly as well. Yeah, this is too high as well. Volumes are great. And also they're the greatest. And also there is no exhaustion volume yet. Anywhere around here. Oh, this is the volume though. This is the volume. And this is, I think it's like, I don't know what, it's a real volume, but it has a huge tail and it's like way down there. Oh, we're in between these two volumes. So this is the volume and we're at the level right now, but these two are exceeding. So yeah, I don't think the volume distribution is good. I think it's not good for a conservative trade. For aggressive trade, I'm sorry. Unvolumed. Why does it have a same volume on approach? No. Needs a test regardless. It's weird, it's acting out. Intel. Doosh. Didn't go too far. From my exit, from my break even. So no regrets. I don't go right around here. The heck is this? It's getting there. Hmm, nothing much. Nothing much. This guy after test, now we have this weakness that would need a test regardless. And I'm not a fan of trading it without um, transition extreme because this is not without transition extremum, without close manipulation signal. It's a little wild. Hey child, stay wild from me. It's there. It's there. At the transition extreme. At the transition extreme, however, no howevers. It's there. Okay, let's see a test. This thing is there. Counter trend. It's not a balance. It's a massacre. However, it does not need. It's again, except for the fact it's in 0.5, below 0.5. That's it's not bad for an exhaustion volume. Still, strength and weakness. Whatever this says is not a balance. And it doesn't matter. Hey child, stay wild from me. Dun, dun. What happened? Yeah. It's level, then it went down, confirmed, down again. And then that was maybe a break. S. And it's counter trend. And it just popped too high. Energy, aka British Petroleum. Aren't they alike? These guys. Aren't they alike? Yeah. There's volume that's down there. And this is about the end of the day. So, and also the volume is not there. Here's our, so way less attractive then. Absolutely equal volume. That's so weird. Microsoft. Why do I not like Microsoft? It's getting there, isn't it? And it's in 0.5. Right there. There's something resembling an exhaustion volume. Yeah, it's not bad for a daily watch. I don't have volume. And that broke the level. That's enough for me. For here not to take it. Yeah. I think it'll go, but too many things that are alerting me. And also I'm sure enough under influence of two trades that I didn't take and went my direction. And went my direction. I don't know what affects me more, like a real stop or when price goes against me or when price goes in the direction of what I expected but didn't take the trade. Found by reversal, yeah, there's a reason I removed it from my watch list. There is a reason. Hang, continuously. Just can't stop. Just can't stop. Take this trade. And this doesn't make any sense anymore. So this level, it's just doesn't want to go. Is all I'm saying. That's all I've got for today. On the spot. Let's go to our yums, to our futures. You see it goes higher. Good job not taking it. Mishka. 1 bar reversal. Still holds for the biggest volume, but now we have another sign of strength. Let's see our futures. Done. Our gold bounced up here with the volume. And now it's probably too high for anything. Same gold, meaning potato. Same deal, volume, and now it's too far from 0.5 to do anything. This didn't go, it bounced, but you see, place your trades before 0.5, and now it reversed. And this one's, we can watch it all the way. It's like a day trade. You can do it either way. So now this is our sign of strength. Volume distribution is not the best, but we can trade it in continuation of the trend. This is our real stops, so absolutely shameless. Oh, that's the 0.5. Yeah, we're getting close to 0.5. That's something to consider. But other than that, yeah. It's a new era of my trading on American market. Just keep in mind it's gonna close tonight. It's closing Friday night till Sunday evening. So should always keep that in mind. But yeah, that's my This is better for volume. Now, it will still need a test. Wait. How did we end up in this place? Uh, and that's now interesting. Dow Jones, continuation of the trend, continuation of the trend. It's all Gucci. Volume is a little too high. It is. Yeah. This volume kills it very much because we should not have a bigger volume. And the manipulation signal on correction. It's kind of the context is not favorable. So if the day context is not favorable, then uh, that means pretty much we should not be trading swing. Because yeah, I'd say for beginning, middle, and the end. That's what I see. So it's not good for swing. However, yeah, and we have like bigger volume here still. However, they can be fine for a little above 0.5, but not critically. One bar reversal. Was it really? No, it was down. So swing I should not take because context, too much volume on manipulation signal on a shake event on daily, and that pretty much disqualifies this market situation mm, for swing trade. For day trade, however, yeah, this volume is not favorable. It's in our face. Okay. That's a 2 bar upthrust. It's barely an upthrust because of this. It's a dodge using dual spread, but then it goes down. Yeah. So we can do aggressive anymore. It's maybe better. So once it reverses, it's gonna be more realistic, I'd say. Oh, that's this thing again. Now possibly we can move the previous T2 to here. Yeah. On volume though, This thing is on volume, so yeah, never mind it. So we're still here. SanDisk. I have such an enthusiasm. It's dangerous. Okay, so now it should be looking long, short at the whole situation. Um, Continuation of the trend. This thingy. Same thing, I guess. Too much volume on daily, which disqualifies it for the. Hmm. Oh, and it reverses, yes. So then we like it because it confirms our daily bias. Yeah, it's the same Russell, right? So I don't know why, but for like time being, I'll be trading both. It's SME, it's SME, it's E-mini 2700, it's micro, same 2700. I have no idea. Volume distribution is somewhat long. Bro, I like it so much better. I wanna cry. I wanna cry. Beware of point 0.5. But other than that, I'll be watching, and if in some reasonable period of time I won't see much of a difference in between these futures, I'll be just eliminating one and keeping the other, whichever has more volume. It's like 2.5K, and this is twice more. So this futures is twice more liquid. Or maybe trading both, splitting because they don't have much capacity. You know what I mean? You got to be really careful. They're like low liquidity. They're low liquidity. Um, and that's it. Um, Wait, why did I? It's the same. It's Dow Jones again. Why did I? It's the same. It's not good for. It's not good for swing. For a day trade, however, same deal. This Dow Jones is 170K. Where's my other Dow Jones? Uh, oh, damn. And this is roughly the same. I don't know the difference. I don't understand the difference as of now. I will. Promise you. I'm an inquisitive creature. For now, I won't die or abuse my time too much by charging both. So let's just go with it. And I already see that the volume here is a little more favorable. However, both has this distinctive volume at approach. So volume distribution in 5 minutes is not short. It's not long. Does not confirm the reversal of possible reversal of the trend, is all I'm trying to say. Okay. So now we have this. We have a reversal. Right volume distribution. Buying here would be falling of catching knives, I think. Slowing down. Range contracting, reversing. I don't think I'm qualified to take a trade like this yet. Silver needs to break. So this thing. Okay, that's all I've got for today. You guys keep in mind it's Friday, so be reasonable. Trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone. Learn and grow in the communities of like-minded people, such as myself. Last looks is, yeah, went down. It was hairy. It was like, oops. It would be irresponsible just to take it from here. What is it? You know what I mean? I had to. What can I do? It's a system. It was like, yeah, it looked like it was coming, but that would be like falling, catching falling knives, or jumping in front of the train, rather. I think that describes it better, the situation. Yes. So I could use this unvolumed upthrust as an excuse to define an early reversal. It's not bad for 0.5. You know what I mean? So yeah, I gotta be super careful. I already saw 3 trades that I could have taken and I didn't. 2 yesterday and 1 today. And that very much is so good, but it affects me, is all I'm saying. It looks like it's gonna be a bigger volume. All that matters, that's my logbook is in green, and I'm all good. But yeah, that was also like, yeah, done. But could have gone longer. Anyhow, take care now. I'll see you in a bit.